Across a company, every department runs on its own tool. Sales log interactions in a CRM. Marketing tracks campaigns in spreadsheets. Finance pulls reports from an ERP system. And IT uses service desk for ticket analysis. The data exists, but it rarely speaks the same language. When the leader asks a question like which product made most social buzz, teams rush to piece everything together, merging files, fixing mismatched columns, logging down the missing details. What organizations need is a single cloud-native platform that brings everything together: data engineering, analytics, AI, and collaboration. And that's where Microsoft Fabric comes in. Hi, I'm Sasanka, and in this video, we'll explore what Microsoft Fabric is and its key features that makes it a game changer for a data-driven organizations. Let's start with basics. Microsoft Fabric is an all-in-one cloud-native software as a service platform working with data. It combines integration, storage, processing, analytics, AI, and reporting into one seamless experience. So you don't need a separate tools for every step. At the center is OneLake, a unified built-in data lake for the entire organization. OneLake stores all data in open format like Delta and Parquet and supports both semi-structured and structured data. This means you can analyze the same data using SQL, Python, or Spark without copying it around. Fabric also integrates deeply with Power BI and Microsoft 365, Azure, etc. So teams can use familiar tools for reporting, compliance, and governance. And because Fabric is SaaS, software as a service, Microsoft handles infrastructure scaling, operating systems updates, and security automatically. Teams can focus on insights, not on infrastructure. So what makes Microsoft Fabric stand out? Let's look at its key features. First one is one platform for everyone. Fabric brings data engineers, analysts, and data scientists together in the same workspace. No more jumping between tools or struggling to share results. And it doesn't stop there. Fabric covers the entire data journey. From bringing in data, cleaning and transforming it, to building dashboards, everything happens inside Fabric. A big part of that how Fabric stores data. It uses OneLake, which acts like a single data lake for everyone. It supports both data lakes for unstructured data and data warehouse for organized data. So you can easily handle many data types in one secure place. Now let's talk about tools you actually use inside Fabric. Fabric includes Data Factory for building data pipelines, Synapse data engineering for big data and Spark processing, Synapse data warehouse for SQL-based analytics, Power BI for dashboard and reports, data science and real-time intelligence for AI and streaming data, and all these are backed by performance at scale. Scale and speed of Fabric automatically adjust to handle large workloads. Features like auto-scaling for Spark and parallel query execution boost performance as data grows. Fabric provides data security as well. Data is encrypted in transit and at rest. Access is managed with roles and policies. Fabric integrates with Microsoft Purview for unified data governance and compliance. On top of that, Fabric adds intelligence to the mix. Copilot in Fabric helps generate SQL queries, Spark code, or reports using natural language. Automated workflows save teams time and reduce repetitive work. And finally, Fabric helps organizations keep up with live real-time data. With Real-Time Hub, Fabric processes live data streams, so dashboards update instantly. Insights can be shared easily through Power BI, Teams, or Excel, making collaboration simple. From accelerating data pipelines to powering real-time dashboard and AI-driven insights, Microsoft Fabric reshapes how organizations work with data with faster processes, easier collaborations, and governance built in. It is a unified SaaS platform where teams can manage, secure, and visualize their data at cloud scale.
Code faster. Build smarter. Lead the future of AI. Join the Advanced AI Engineer certification. Check out our website